Bobby.
Yeah.
Now, first of all, we hear plenty talks about the 30-day run challenge on social media. In fact, do one be talk say a no day very effective. But I see say you day in the center, they charge, they ginger everything. You think say this could actually bring any results?
Wetin me I been feel say, if everybody come out say, government see wetin work. The youth are powerful if we stand together.
Yeah.
But when we say, no, we don't do am before, we don't protest before, nothing happen. No, I no get that kind of strength. We do one way they talk, wetin happen, and then decide not to talk or speak, then we become powerless because we are not united. So the one is saying this because other ones that they have been doing, nobody like they didn't come together to do it or say it out.
So if everybody say this 30-day run challenge will get results,
it would have, and it still will if people come together and we do it together.
Why you feel they come together?
Nobody is coming together. How many people are you still saying anything on social media?
Now, this one where you open mouth talk say massive of following for people will be say they no put hand for this 30 days run challenge. It get effect on certain influencers. You mean anybody for mind?
No.
When you talk them?
Unfortunately, I didn't. I was just like angry that why will you guys have such audience and you see that people are suffering and crying now and you can't help them and you're just posting your random and normal lifestyle like nothing is happening in the country where you know that everybody is suffering. That is when I said, please, okay, if you guys don't want to help us out, okay, the audience or rather the people that I'm fighting for, okay, let us massive unfollow these people. When they see that, oh, people are unfollowing us, so let's quickly say something, then maybe something will start happening.
And that's one where you talk, it take effect on certain people. Case in point, Peller. Yes. Well, it happened.
What actually happened is this. Nobody actually mentioned Peller at first. He brought himself to my comment section.
What did he talk for comment section?
I think he made a comment and said, I shouldn't tell people who to follow and who not to unfollow because they don't want to do rant. That was the comment he made. And of course, I addressed it. And I told him, yeah, you're right. Nobody should unfollow anybody anymore. I don't have the right to tell you who to follow and who not to follow. So people got angry and pissed that, okay, so you don't even support the movement. You're now telling us that we shouldn't unfollow anybody. So you like waiting they happen because you're seeing money on TikTok. Then they started unfollowing him. Which if he did not comment that, nothing would have happened.
Now, you mentioned threats. Also, so you received threats. Where you think these threats they come from?
It's coming from Peller's followers.
Did they show about this?
They are coming to I don't even know where they get my number from. The other one sent me a message. I am going to go and swear for you and your mama. Both of now, your mama go die, your papa go die. You go die by accident. There come on, gullible messages I receive every day. I'm still receiving it by now. Even on my Instagram, you are very stupid. We have not even started. Your downfall is near. Excuse me.
So it can't be like say the battle line they drawn between you and Peller for what I see.
I think I have more important things to do with my time than to have a battle line with Peller.
How many days now you don't reach out for the 30-day challenge?
I think it's going to more than 10 days now. Which if my TikTok was still active, I think I would have been doing more.
How many followers you get on TikTok before the thing happened? Before the ban happened?
1.5 million.
1.5 before they deactivate them?
Yeah.
So who can make them deactivate them?
I don't know. TikTok is just like, I don't know if I should call it a soft app. I don't know how it works, but once people just massive report your account, just take it down without even knowing if what the account is being reported for is true or not. But it's not safe for Instagram because I'm very sure they have been reporting my Instagram, but they can't take it down because Instagram is stronger than TikTok. Yeah.
Now, which other celeb now you feel say you don't choke hand for this package? Where sort of give you encouragement?
Nobody actually. The only person I've seen is this man. I don't know how to pronounce his name. The man that ran for presidency the other time, Sowol. I don't know. He's a Yoruba man. So that is the only person I'm seeing that is still into the 30 days run challenge. I think everyone has moved on.
Okay. Yeah. Now, as it stands now, you don't open new account or what will be the way forward for your TikTok now?
I opened another account the following day after they banned that one. So that one gained over 60,000 followers within 24 hours and they reported it again and then TikTok banned it. So for now, I won't rest more. I won't rest more, make I recover from my depression, then I'll come back.
What are you going to say concerning those with you say the 30-day run challenge? Now just avenue for influencers, content creators to grow followers and grow page.
See, no matter what, if I start a 30 days run challenge speaking out for the people actually follow me. It's a normal norm. they'll follow me. Oh, this guy is in support of us. Let's acknowledge him by following us. So nobody is doing anything for revenues. Those ones are just, I don't want to curse out people on live, but I would just say that, should I say they are myopic? If that actually stands out.
They see far.
They don't see far. They are still locked down in 2000. You understand? Because you cannot tell me that me putting my life at stake to come and call out the government is for me to bring out revenue and make followers. I've already had the followers even before I started making it. I felt like I have the big platform to speak out. That was why I started speaking out. You understand? So anybody that thinks otherwise, that's their business. I don't even care, and I've never cared.
I see your video where you go markets. And then you did with so much energy, so much passion concerning the cost of things for markets every. I also see one other very comical video like that. In your day-to-day reality, you did face these challenges.
Of course, I go to the market. I make my food myself. I enter public bus every day to the gym to shoot. I know how much I pay for transport every day. Keke from my estate gate to the Adaonda Bridge, and I enter bus to Lekki or any place that I'm going to. I go to the market every day to buy things. Things I know how much egg was and how much it is now. So they affect me. The same way it's affecting everybody. You understand? So the only thing is that I couldn't speak out because nobody was speaking out. So I felt like, okay, since everybody's not talking, and I make an ad now, make we know if something will happen. That was when I said, okay, let me just go to the market since I could go market things and I did see how expensive things be. Let me now speak out. That was when I went to the market and I made that video. I wanted to actually be a casual video, but as I was making the video, I became more irritated and angry on how people are bashing the NYC girl and why is she speaking out. You understand? I became so pissed that I didn't even know when I started even shouting.
They tag them as rude. The tone where take address the presidency. They tag them as rude and the tone no they polite.
First of all, I didn't address the president.
I mean the lady in question.
Okay, the lady.
We've been kick off the rant.
Okay,
the core member, right?
Okay.
So then let's go fast forward to the people will be say choke mouth or no choke mouth. You open mouth for social media. You say you think Peller, you deserve an apology from Peller.
Yeah, I do.
Why so?
I deserve apology from not actually Peller in particular, but his followers. But I feel like they are family, so it's more like saying I deserve apology from Peller.
Why so?
Because I'm fighting for people and I'm fighting for you. And now your problem is, why are people unfollowing somebody that is not fighting for you? You are not coming for me that put my life at stake to come and start making videos, calling out different things from different angles happening in the country. Started blocking my account, making sure that people don't see what I'm posting. So can't you see you're against me and also against how I make my money? And you don't feel like I deserve an apology for that.
So right now, where are you going to get your money from? Since they don't ban your TikTok now.
I don't just see my money from TikTok. I'm a car dealer. I have my business brand, Berries Automobiles. I sell cars.
Don't do smart advert like that.
I sell cars. Yeah. So I make my money from there too.
Okay.
They're from different other angles I don't want to mention.
So now, because of time, I just try to rush to see how we can cover things. Time don't already go. But if you go get opportunity now to sum up all your rants in like 2 or 3 sentences, Wetin be the target?
2 or 3 sentences.
Things where you want me the government address.
I want the government to address just 3 important things. The rates at which things are expensive now. The unemployment affecting so many youth that is rendering us useless and worthless, making us do illegal things that we do in the country right now, and insecurity. If these 3 things can be fixed in the country, I feel like the country will become better.
And you think social media could be effective to produce results?
Social media would have if the people with big platforms spoke about it. But since they are not, I don't think it will. But I'm still not going to stop talking till 30 days.
That will not discourage you?
At all. I don't care if anybody comes out to speak because I'm a one-man man. And I'll continue speaking until 30 days. If verse reach me, if I go to speak, they go. You understand? That's the kind of person that I am.
Bobby, thank you so much.
Chook Mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.